So, I'm in the room charging my phone.
Are almost done here.
No Venmo, just the cash app. Thank goodness. I would pay it if I had the money, but I don't. The chime is help Lisa XO. Help Lisa XO. Oh gosh. Hold on. Even they like to laugh. Cray, cray, cray. Okay, hold on. This is the cash app. This is the cash app. Stacy Jones 145. Because they shut it off. I'm sorry. Thank you. I'm not prepared for tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. Nope, still haven't ate. Nobody's helping. They're just talking garbage, most of them. Yeah, you hear it? Somebody on the first floor? Thank you. I need something to eat. Still need something to eat. And I know I won't have it again. It's not my baby, or anybody that I know's baby. It's my neighbor's. Jeez. I know it's not, I'm in the laundry room of my building. The laundry room of my building. I have to charge my phone. It's the only option I have right now. They shut my electric off. So, I wouldn't get into a shelter this quick. They'll say I still have a roof. So, and they're right. I do have a lot of problems, unfortunately. Ma'am, if you're not worried about me eating or what I'm gonna do, don't worry about the animals, okay? Alright? That's so effing rude. Ma'am, I have a mistake. I'm actually happy to hear that. Nope, I don't. I won't stop coming on. Get off my page if you don't like it. Okay, well, so will I. But they don't know me, so they don't know me. texture. I would go wash windshields if I could. I would. $210 to get it back on, and I'm trying to get 20 or 30 to eat. I would though. I don't have anywhere to wash windshields though, or anything like that. Or anything like that. Or anything like that. Or anything like that. No, I'm not going to entertain you on why I can't get a job. I haven't eaten in 3 days, and I'm getting shit talked to me. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Not right now. No, I don't, actually. I do not. I do not. I'm not on Social Security at all. Doesn't matter. It's only $210 to get it turned back on. Actually not. This is crazy, Wow. Oh wow, 4K. Well, no, man, but they were saying it's 2,000, so I was just saying, it's not that, it's 210 to reconnect, you know. I know that, I don't have $2, so I get it. It's a lot for some, you know. Definitely get it, babe. My electric. I don't know what I'm gonna do either. I'm just going with the flow. Going with the flow. Trying to eat, coming on, going with the flow. It is crazy. I didn't even know they were going to shut it off. I really didn't. I would have said something a week ago and tried to get help. Didn't know. I either wasn't paying attention or somebody took the notice. I really don't know what happened. I don't get SSI, ma'am. I have no income at all right now. None. Zero. It's been like that for 2 months, unfortunately. I'm alright. Just hungry, a little bit hot. Somebody got the dryer running, so it's hot. Yeah, I know. It isn't. I was just asking for help. I didn't even ask for help with the bill. I asked for help with getting something to eat, that's all. Okay, well, yep, you're right. The dryer does run off electric. Good thing the whole, and it's just my unit, right? Like I said earlier. Okay, but you guys didn't believe me. You believed everybody else. But it's my unit. They turned it off. You can send it to the Bliss AF PayPal, 3 S's, if you'd like. Whoever just, I saw it go by. Yes, you do hear a dryer running. I am am down in the laundry room of my building, charging my phone, talking to you guys, trying to get some money for dinner, for food. That's it. My unit is off, like I said earlier. They turned it off. Not happy about it. Don't know what I'm going to do about it, but they did turn it off. He's trying to get 20 or 30 just to eat. That's not true. No, they won't help me since my son, but they won't help. I don't have any cigs at all. I don't have anything. I don't know. I was planning on having my food stamps. I didn't know that everybody would be so hateful. That's why. That's how I was planning on eating actually this month. So my mod ain't even in here. There ain't no mod in here. It's a fake mod. Fucking Christ, here we go with that dumb shit. The fuck I did. Call them and tell them I sold them so that they can see how stupid you are. Go ahead, call them. Call them and tell them she sold them this month. Please do. Because then they're going to look and say, oh wait, she didn't even get them this month, and the whole internet called. Please show them how dumb yous are and you don't know anything. Please call. Call. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up. Come on, blow it up. Okay, so if I did blow it up, please blow it up. Do it. Because I just want to show them how you don't know nothing. You shut up. No, I'm not getting mad. I'm getting they don't know what they're talking about, and I'm laughing my ass off every time they call. Because it just shows that they don't know nothing. Proved my point. Got that fucking closed real quick. Next. Cannot go to my parents' house. Oh, I lose all the time? Okay. I don't know, honey. I really don't know. Whatever. Hello, Lori. They don't have any, really don't either, like at all. You get off my TikTok. How about that? Don't tell me what to do. Thank you, River. Thank you. I would do that, sleep on the floor. I don't know. I guess everybody hates me. I really don't know, honestly.
Fine now.
Whatever. Be on the floor or whatever. No, I'm not talking about you guys. I don't care what the trolls think, honestly. No, they won't help. They won't help, babe, trust me. Okay. Alright. Okay. Yes, I did call them. Yes, I did. 210 to get it turned back on. So I'm just gonna go with the flow and see how it turns out. Like I said, just trying to get something to eat. That's all. My parents don't have anything like that to pay it, you know? Or yeah, they would, but they really don't. I wish they did. So if anybody can help, this is the CA, Stacy Jones 145, and I guess that's the PayPal Buns Babeck. So the pin. All I have is my parents, really. That's all I have. And I can't stay there. I don't make money off this account other than if somebody sends something through the apps. Actually, I don't even get the gifts. But okay. Whatever you think, man. always lying. I'm always lying. Thing I fucking say. The Cash App is Stacy Jones 145. Stacy Stacy. Stacy Jones 145. And if you send anything, can you please send me an email to the LisaHarvey@gmail.com so I can at least have a screenshot to keep track of everything, you know. I didn't even ask about the electric. I just wanted help with eating. That's it. Okay. Maybe PayPal or something. No, that was Victoria last night that did that. They didn't. Trust me, I go through this all the time. All the time. Well, not fast enough, sir. Not fast enough, obviously. So, yep, very ridiculous. Don't need a tent yet. Pretty soon, hopefully. This ain't a cash cow. I just want to eat. I'm not trying to cash cow anything. I don't understand. Yeah, please send me some candles. Seriously. A flashlight, candles, anything. I'd really actually appreciate that. If you were being serious. Can't go to a shelter. I know, but my phone will be dead, so I won't be able to have the flashlight. I'm just gonna be sitting there in the dark with the dog. In about 2 hours. It's not that easy to get in a homeless shelter in this. I'm in a big city. Because I didn't know. I didn't know. Whether you believe it or not, I really didn't know. Has nothing to do with not being sober or being sober. I have the money to eat or do anything. No, I don't have any medical issues that would require them to like leave it on or turn it on or no, the lady asked me that. She was really trying to help, but there was nothing. What the fuck is that, guys? That's not gonna feed me or get fucking lights on. Promise it's not. You'll be happy to know I'm here by myself. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. Me and the dog. Me and the dog. I was just trying to get $20 to walk down and get something to eat. Every time I get off, I apparently don't have much or nothing, but I never control anything, so. Anybody who did, can you please send a screenshot to the LisaHarvey@gmail.com. The dog has food and I have water. So he's not going to be affected at all. So, I'm not gonna eat my dog. So I can add everything up. I haven't lied about anything though. My lights aren't off. I wish I was lying. I really do, yo. Oh boy, this is terrible. Fucking terrible. That's the chime. Chimes help Lisa XO. The chime is in the pin right there. Help Lisa XO. LISA. Help Lisa XO is chime. No. But I have though. I don't understand. Oh, God, I give up too. Honestly, this is so bad. It's just a bunch of people being rude, mostly. But I have been being honest. Nobody listens to what I'm saying. They said, prove your lights are out. So I proved it earlier. Then it's a power outage in the whole building. As you guys can see, it's not the building. Like, I don't understand why nobody's listening to me. I understand that part, but I've proved and I'm telling the truth. What else? Yes, I'm in the laundry room of my building. I never said I haven't lied, though. I have lied. But since Jace got taken, I've been telling the truth because I don't care. I don't care. So I've just been saying what it is. But nobody's listening. I only lied to fucking protect him or help him, or now I don't give a fuck. Honestly, I don't. I already just told you why. Protect me and my kids or help them. That's it. Now I don't give a shit. No Venmo, just the Stacy Jones 145 Cash App. Chime, help Lisa XO. HELP LISA XO. Help Lisa XO's chime. Whatever. Thank you for being kind. Thank you. Because if I ask for 20, I'll get 10. That's why, sir. And I have to go to a gas station, so $10 isn't really a lot for a meal, if you think about it, and a pop. The Cash App is, hold on, I guess my mod rolled out. Oh no, I'm sick of the fucking comments. Wish I could just do that and not have to worry about what I can eat, but it's alright. I'm starting to get hot. I'm starting to get hot. Where'd it go? That's the CA. I just pinned it. That's the Cash App. I just pinned it, whoever was asking me. And if you do send anything to the Cash App, like I said, can you please take a screenshot of it complete? Send it to my email. The Lisa Harvey at gmail.com. Lisa HARVEY Harvey. Because I just am keeping track of everything because they keep calling people on me. That's why. So I just want to be able to go back and look and prove what I actually got. That's the truth about it. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. This is looking kind of like a waste of time. Nobody's helping. I don't understand. Just being so nasty. It's Stacy Jones 145. I don't know what you just said down there, sir. I can't help myself. I wish it was that easy, honestly. I don't have better things to do, but I do have better things to do than getting people talking shit to me when I'm already down in the fucking gutter. Like, you really need to come down here and kick me? Trash. Doesn't matter who did it. It matters that it's done, and it was a chain reaction, and I didn't start the chain, to be honest, so doesn't fucking matter who done it. It's done. That's not gonna feed me either. Homeless awaits me. Yeah, you're so funny. You're so funny. Yeah, the trolls are trash. Look, they want me to cry. Disgusting. So disgusting. Like, my lights just got turned out at 10 a.m. They expect me to have it all figured out. Just won't fucking eat. I don't give a fuck. It ain't worth all this. Look at this. 4K. This is wild. Wow. That's a shame. They want me to cry. Sad.